Hello, my dear friends. What is the reward of decluttering? Well, first of all, you'll have a streamlined home. You'll be able to find things because everything will have a home, and you'll be more at peace. And when you're more at peace and your home is streamlined and you can find things, your family's at peace. And when your family's at peace, you're even more at peace. It's like a continuum. So that is the major benefit. Another benefit is that you cannot deep clean clutter. So you can really, when you get rid of your clutter, clean. And it's a breeze because there aren't things in the way. So now you can clean the baseboards without having to bump into boxes and clutter. You can vacuum and get all the corners. You can wipe things down that had things in front of it before or on top of it. So I challenge you for the month of April to declutter 4 times a week. Make it a great day.